Okay. Reminder sa atin sa malalaking syudad tulad ng Kamaynilaan na yung nangyari sa Bogo, kung mangyari yung 6.5, kunyari 6.5 na lindol dito sa kalagitnaan ng West Valley Fault, tens of thousands ang ating casualty. Doon, wala pang 100, di ba? Mga 30 lang. But gusto ko lang i-remind tayo sa seriousness ng effort na kailangan natin gawin. And even kayo, bilang naninirahan sa Metro Manila, individually, your family, yourselves, and the community should make sure na handa tayo parati sa ganyan. Kasi yung lindol is not an easy event to prepare, but it can be prepared for by making sure that our houses, our infrastructures, the places where we visit like churches or malls are earthquake resistant. Importante yun.
Bakit tens of thousands?
At dahil masyadong maraming building and population. So the more buildings, the more population, the higher the potential impact.